Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file individual tax return updated. Gather your W-2s, 1099s, and photo ID, then choose paper, tax software, or a preparer to start filing. I'll walk through Form 1040 basics, common deductions, and credits you may qualify for. Stay with me and I'll simplify steps, timing, and record keeping so you feel confident submitting your return and avoiding common mistakes. Let's get started together. Start by organizing your documents into categories: income, deductions, and ID. Confirm filing status and dependents before calculating taxable income. Use direct deposit for refunds and double-check bank routing numbers. If you have investment income, report Form 1099 accurately and account for estimated tax payments. Keep clear records for at least 3 years in case of audit or questions. Consider free filing options if your income qualifies, and consult a professional for complex situations. Quick recommendation: if you're taking breaks while prepping forms, stay hydrated with the Oala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold and has a leak-proof lid, perfect for long sessions. If this content helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more. Check the description for the product link and other deals. It's a small convenience that makes paperwork less tedious when you stay comfortable. Now let's get back to the video. Compare filing options. E-file with tax software, use a paid preparer, or mail a paper return. File Form 4868 if you need an extension to avoid late filing penalties. Remember, extension is for filing, not paying. Estimate and pay any taxes owed to reduce penalties and interest. Review common credits like ITC and child tax credit, and verify Social Security numbers match to prevent rejections. Keep digital copies and a checklist to make future filings faster and less stressful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.